Welcome to Mehran Engineers Forum. Today, we're delving into the ever-evolving field of computer science. Computer science is a discipline that integrates principles from mathematics, engineering, and logic to create, test, and evaluate software, systems, and algorithms. It is the backbone of the digital age, driving innovation and efficiency in almost every industry. Computer science encompasses a wide array of subfields, including software engineering, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cybersecurity, data science, and human-computer interaction. At its core, computer science is about problem-solving using computers. From creating algorithms that sort vast amounts of data to developing the software that powers your smartphone, computer scientists are at the forefront of technological advancement. The computer science workflow typically involves several stages: designing algorithms, writing and testing code, deploying software, and maintaining and updating systems. Programming languages like Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript are fundamental tools for computer scientists. These languages enable the development of everything from simple scripts to complex software systems. Computer science has a transformative impact on various industries. In healthcare, it enables the development of advanced diagnostic tools, electronic health records, and telemedicine solutions. In finance, computer algorithms power trading systems, fraud detection, and personalized financial services. The entertainment industry relies on computer science for video game development, special effects in movies, and streaming services. Now, let's look at the future of computer science. The field is rapidly advancing, with several trends shaping its trajectory. One of the most significant trends is the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies are revolutionizing how we interact with machines, from voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to autonomous vehicles. AI and ML enable systems to learn and adapt, making them more efficient and effective. Quantum computing is another groundbreaking trend. Unlike classical computers, which use bits as the smallest unit of data, quantum computers use quantum bits or qubits. This allows them to perform complex calculations at unprecedented speeds, potentially solving problems that are currently unsolvable by classical computers. The expansion of the Internet of Things (IoT) is also a significant trend. IoT connects everyday objects to the Internet, enabling them to collect and exchange data. This connectivity leads to smarter homes, cities, and industries where devices communicate and collaborate to improve efficiency and quality of life. Cybersecurity is becoming increasingly critical as we rely more on digital systems. Protecting data and systems from malicious attacks is a top priority, driving advancements in encryption, network security, and threat detection. Ethical considerations in computer science are gaining attention. Issues like data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the ethical use of AI are at the forefront. Ensuring that technology serves humanity positively and equitably is an ongoing challenge and responsibility. In summary, computer science is a dynamic and foundational field that is shaping the future. Its applications are vast and its potential limitless, driven by innovations in AI, quantum computing, IoT, cybersecurity, and ethical computing. At Mehran Engineers Forum, we are dedicated to keeping you informed about the latest trends and developments in engineering and technology. Stay tuned for more insights and updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. See you next time.